Hey guys.
What's poppin'? Okay, so it's fall, right? Okay, well I live in Texas, so it's 93 degrees. I wore a sweater because it's supposed to be fall. So today is all about the brows. I'm not doing eyeshadow or foundation. This is just a tutorial about eyebrows and eyebrows only. At the end of the video, I'll be looking like this because I'm filming my intro and my outro right now like this because I do my eyebrows like this. I'll meet you guys at the end of the video since this is my intro and I'm filming my outro like right after this. And I'm gonna do the tutorial, but that's not the order you're gonna see it in. Enjoy the video of me showing you how to do eyebrows. Now I'm gonna take my makeup off using, I don't really like, I hate that noise. No, disgusting. I put foundation on my neck because I don't want no freaking foundation lines. Who do you think I am? Someone who doesn't blend?
My favorite highlighter.
I'm taking the Maybelline Brow Drama in clear, and I'm gonna start by brushing all of the hairs upwards. I actually keep brushing the hairs upwards after I put on the gel just to make sure they're not like moving. So I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blonde Pomade. Also using the Anastasia 7B brush. It looks like this. I just dip into it. As you can tell, it looks a little chunky. So I just kind of spread it out a little bit. Create that line right there. Okay, you can work your way up. By the way, when I talk about the eyebrow front and like end, so this is the end of the eyebrow, this is the front of the eyebrow. And so I start at the end and then I work my way up. I'm creating that top line at the end of the brow. Okay, and then this is when I start filling in. So I just brush because I want this part to be solid. I want this part to be kind of like fanned. And then I put my brush like this, like coming towards me, not like this, but this, when I start getting to the front, and I just start doing this. This is my good eyebrow, this is my like bad eyebrow, so this one is easier to do. Pretty much it for what I do to fill in my eyebrows. See, that did not take long at all, and I'm like really proud of myself for that. Mainly because this is my good eyebrow, and so the next eyebrow is gonna take a while. I try to go more up on this eyebrow since this eyebrow is kind of lower than this one. I start like kind of fanning the brush upwards just a little bit, but still doing that fanning technique. I feel like I'm talking really quietly. Should I talk
Louder?
I have like a scar right here, so it doesn't really look as filled in. When I was little, I smashed my head in the corner of a coffee table, and so I got a scar from that on my eyebrow. So whenever I fill in my eyebrows, it's just, there's this weird white patch. For concealing, I take my Tarte Shape Tape, taking my, as usual, white flat brush. Since this one is lower than this one, I try to put more concealer on this eyebrow at the bottom, and I put more concealer up here than on this eyebrow because this one's higher than this one. I want to try eyelash extensions, but I'm kind of scared that I'll probably be like allergic to it because that's kind of my luck in life, so. Okay. Now I'm just gonna take my booty blender and I'm going to blend in that concealer. This is when I like to go in with my NYX Precision Brow Pencil and fix up those lines because the lines are very sharp that it just doesn't look natural. Go back in with that clear brow gel that I used at the beginning of the video. We're done. Was it good? Let me know. Comment that down below. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss a post. Peace out, cuties.
When you go to sleep at night, when you wake up in the morning, and when you walk the hall, see girl, you know you wanna flaunt it.
Oh, there's a bra back there. There's children watching.
Bang bang cocking it, Queen Nicki dominant, prominent. It's me, Jesse and Ari. If they test me, they sorry. Riders up like a Harley, then pull off in this Ferrari. If he hanging, we banging. Phone ringing, he slanging. It ain't karaoke.